How to change payment method on your Amazon account. So open the Amazon application. Then you will see options like this profile icon here. So click on the your account options here and scroll down and you will see options like default purchase setting. So set now and back again and scroll down and you will see options like this Amazon Pay UPI. So set now top up your Amazon Play wallet and Amazon Pay UPI. So set the UPI like this anything and verify now. And other option like back again and manage payment options. So change now like this manage Kindle payment settings and like this. And save now like your password, sign settings and automatic book update. Verify now and Amazon Pay letters and click on the order options like this is purchase and you will see options like add new credit debit card and UPI and net banking. So like this my UPI is there, so current like change now, so add the debit card options and fill the detail and save now and your payment method change. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.